Alam mo ako, binigay ko sa taong yun lahat. Lahat. Panahon, puso, pera.
I can relate. Alam mo, pakiramdam ko kasi in the end, parang ginamit lang naman ako ni Tyrone. He took millions from our company. At ang pinakamasakit doon, he gave it all to his mistress.
Mas minahal yung kabet.
Siguro. Baka dahil kasi may anak sila tapos kami wala.
Alam mo ba kung nasan yung anak?
No. Bakit?
Siguro naman minahal ka naman ni Tyrone.
Whatever. It doesn't matter anymore.